In this video, we're going to use the margin left property, and what we're going to do is we're going to move our painting basically more to the right by putting a margin at the left side. And you will see that the margin at the left side will not have any impact with the overlap here, because there won't be any overlap because a margin is only vertically overlapping each other. So let's start and explore here immediately. So what we're going to do here, you say here margin, and then we say here left, and let's give this a 20 pixel size. So once we did that, we save that and refresh, you can see now there's a slight movement, and then you can see there's two items here. So let's look at this. We have some movement here, and we also have the margins basically adjusted on both sides. So if you look here, we have a margin of 20 here, and then we have a margin of 50. And if you look very carefully, you see the other painting moves nicely and also calculates including the margin left on the next div. As you can see here, the margin left is being calculated correctly, and there's no overlap at all. And with this is very important to remember, because if you're doing vertical adjustments, there will be overlap with margin, but if you do a horizontal adjustment, there's none. And with this, you can play around with it and readjust different items of your div. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.